About 7:30 in the morning. We're having snow with easterly winds. It should change this snow to rain. Otherwise, we would really get blasted. But for now, it's beautiful. We'll show it to you. At least a half inch on the ground already, maybe an inch. The anniversary of the blizzard of '83. Right around that time, the snow was ending and we had 18 inches on the ground. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I haven't seen it snow this hard in a long time. Long time. What a shame this got to change to rain. What a storm this would have been. We just went out and measured a half an inch in the backyard. And this is snowing about 2 inches an hour here at this rate. One of these days we'll see a storm like this that'll be all snow, and that'll be great. It's 12:30. The snow has changed to sleet. You can hear it hitting the windows. It dropped a degree in the last hour, and it possibly could change back to snow again. The winds are coming more from the northeast. We've had over 2 inches of snow and sleet so far. 12:30 in the afternoon. Three o'clock in the afternoon. Very, very light snow grains and sleet still falling. They're still calling for moderating temperatures and changing to rain. We'll have to see. Officially here, 2.5 inches. Quarter to 6 at night. We have a light freezing drizzle. 2.6 inches officially here. It's February 13th. It's a little past 8 o'clock in the morning. We had some heavy rain overnight. Around midnight it was raining hard, and now we're having a backlash of a little bit of light snow or flurries. No more ice on the shoveled parts, but that snow there is solid. We can get an inch maybe today of wet snow. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. The snow has stopped. The sun's trying to come out. We had about 1/10 of an inch of slush this morning. Total snow was 2.8 inches. We had 1.50 precipitation, would have meant 15 inches of snow if it was all snow.